Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a banana and a caramel travel cake. It's got a scrumptious banana cake which is eggless. It is filled with the caramel dulce de leche and it is covered with the Rocher glaze. It's very easy to make and I'm sure you're going to love it. So let's get started. For the banana caramel travel cake, we will be using all-purpose flour, baking soda and baking powder, bananas, oil, milk, vinegar, vanilla essence, chopped walnuts and brown sugar. For the dulce de leche, which we will be putting in the center, we will be using condensed milk. For the nutty glaze, we'll be using milk chocolate, oil and chopped walnuts. First, to start with, we'll be making the dulce de leche. I will take the condensed milk. I will cover it with the foil. I have taken a tin in which I have put water. I will keep this in the tin and I will put it into the oven for about 1.5 to 2 hours for it to caramelize and become dulce de leche. First, I will take the milk. I will add the vinegar to it. Just mix it slightly and keep it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, I will take the flour. To that, I will add the baking powder and the baking soda and mix this around till it is well mixed into the flour. I will take the brown sugar and to this I will add the milk, the vanilla essence and the oil and just mix this till it is a smooth paste. Sorry, not a smooth paste, a smooth liquid. And once we have mixed this and the sugar has dissolved, to this I will add the flour and gently mix this around to get a smooth batter. Once my batter is smooth, I will take the bananas which I had shown earlier. I have chopped them into small pieces. Now we will be putting in the banana and the walnuts and we will mix this. Once this is done, I will be using a travel cake tin which I have told you all in detail earlier, and in my earlier videos I'm using the same tin which I have greased and lined with the butter paper, and I will put the batter inside this. Now this tin is ready to go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. The dulce de leche has been cooking in the oven for the last 1 hour and 50 minutes. I have cooled it down after it's come out and I want to show you how it has caramelized and the dulce de leche is ready. Can you see the gorgeous color of the dulce de leche? Now, till we use it for the filling, we will put this inside the fridge. Make the nutty glaze. First, I will take the milk chocolate and melt it in the microwave. Chocolate has mixed in the oven. To this, I will add the oil and mix it till the oil is fully incorporated into the chocolate. Just make sure, because this is very important, because in case if you don't mix this properly, the icing will not set. Once the oil is mixed, to this I will add the chopped walnuts. Mix this nicely and keep it aside till we use it for the glazing. The cake is ready. Now we will be unmolding it. Now since it's a travel tin, we will twist the pipe and pull it out very gently. And now we'll unmold the cake. You see the crumb of this gorgeous cake. It's super yum. And as we unmold this, we will fill the hole with the dulce de leche. I will take the dulce de leche in a piping bag and I will fill it till it is through and through and I have a nice layer in the center. Once I've done this, I will put it in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes to chill out. Once the cake is chilled, I will take the glaze that we have made, the nutty milk chocolate and walnut glaze, and I will pour it on top and make sure that the whole of it is covered. Once I have covered the whole cake, I will keep it aside in a cool place for about 15 to 20 minutes, or you can put it in the fridge for about 3 to 4 minutes for the coating to set up. The icing has set, and now you can have it the way you like as it is, or if you want you can just ice a little butter icing on top and put a little bit of the chocolate garnishes. So let us just slice open this cake and try the yummy slice. The cake, is cutting like a dream. The crumb is so soft and so nice. It's amazing. Yum. The gorgeous crumb of this cake and the dulce de leche just makes this amazing and takes it to another level. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।